How to fix Telegram app freezing or lagging on iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Telegram app freezing or lagging on iPhone. So let's get started. So the first thing that you need to make sure is that your app is up to date. You're going to head over to the App Store, go to the search bar, type in Telegram, and if it's not updated, you'll be able to see an update button over here. So once you click on update, your app would be updated, and when you simply open the app, it would be working good and there'll be no more freezing or lagging. If that doesn't solve your issue, you can simply head over to settings and then you're going to click on general. After that, you're going to click on iPhone storage and you're going to search for Telegram in this list. If you're not able to find Telegram, you can simply search for it over here and then simply click on Telegram. Here, you'll be able to see a button that says offload app. So this will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. Reinstalling the app will reinstate your data if the app is still available for download. Head over, click on offload app, and after that, you'll be able to see option of reinstall. Click on that and then your issue would be resolved. If the issue is still there, you can simply head over and delete the Telegram application. Long press on it, click on delete app, and after that, head over to the App Store and download the Telegram Messenger application again, and your issue will be resolved. So that is basically how you can fix Telegram freezing or lagging on iPhone. So if you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.